Let's talk something about nature. The earth is surrounded by beautiful nature, which is made by our Creator. And the land we'll live on is the gift given to us by the Creator who created it once upon. The sun gives us vitamin D, which is used by us totally free. The river helps us for agriculture, and we are also blessed with mariculture. The soil gives us best crop quality. One cannot deny it for surety. The air helps us to breathe, without which we cannot exist. The small stones that comes our way when we walk helps us to get acupressure naturally made from rocks. The tree gives us oxygen, which helps us to run our body engine. This is the true beauty of nature, which is far beyond our imagination. For that, we need to thank God for this gratification. Thank you.